Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showcasing a project, yet another project I built. Just like my previous project, I built this with 100% Rust. Rust has really grown on me. Respect. All right, so this is a airport management system featuring flight operations, passenger bookings, aircraft registry, and administrative controls. I decided to include administrative controls, and that way I can go in and change things whenever I so please. So here it is, Rust International Airport. I want to talk a little bit about flight management, and then I will get into the project. Of course, there is booking system, aircraft registry, airport operations, admin panel, real-time simulation. I mean, there's a lot I could go over here. I'm not going to get into this too extensively because there's a lot going on here. Let me go ahead and just scroll down to the main menu. So, and uh, I personally love doing projects where it takes place in the terminal. I love it. Uh, you know, WebAssembly, working in the browser, I appreciate that as well. But there's just something really cool and nerdy about working in the terminal. I really like it a lot. So let me talk a little bit about the flight management, and then I'll go ahead and I'll get into this. All right, so flight management, you have, what do you have? You have advanced flight search. You can search by origin, destination, date, or custom criteria if you choose. There is real-time status updates, live flight tracking. You have on time, delayed, boarding, departed, arrived. You also have dynamic pricing. You have admin controlled pricing, multipliers, and route-based adjustments, gate management, automatic gate assignment, and terminal organization, which is really cool. Um, excuse me. So for this project, I will say I might have to do, let's see, I may have to do this just in case, just to kind of clear everything up. And I'm going to go ahead and spin it up. Here's cargo run. All right, just to play it safe. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and book a flight. So that would be number 2. I'm going to type 2. There we are. You can see status, on time, flight number. Now, again, please note that the purpose of this project is just to show the idea. It's not perfect, but let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to do, we'll do, we'll do, let's just do LAX to JFK. How about that? There we are. Let's go. Now down here at the bottom, it's going to ask me, select seat class. Real quick, you have pricing. You've got aircraft information, model Boeing 737-800, registration number, capacity 192 passengers, status is active. Um, I was feeling first class, but let's just go ahead and go with economy. First name, my name is Justin, by the way. Last name, I'm not going to share that with you, so let's just go ahead and say cool. Email address is going to be code@email.com. Scratch that. Dev. Phone number is going to be 123-456-7890. Date of birth, let's do something. Let's do 1881 02 13. Oof. Passenger types, you have adult, child, infant, senior. I'm going to stick with adult for this one. Do you have a passport number to add? Yes, I do. Passport number is going to be capital H 734 8. Excuse me, 9 8. Capital A, lowercase s. I don't have a passport. Just making it up. Do you have any special requirements? Yes, I do. I'm thinking wheelchair assistance, vegetarian meal, kosher meal, extra leg room, pet travel, and medical equipment. Just go ahead and go with the vegetarian meal. And there we are. Vegetarian meal. Special requirement or done to finish. Let's just go ahead and say done. I can continue adding to that. Let's see, here's my booking details. Are you sure you want to complete this booking? Yeah, I'm done. Booking created, booking completed successfully. Your ticket number, here's my ticket number. I feel as if I should maybe write that down. Oh, may have to do a quick pause. Okay, let's go ahead and press enter to continue. Perfect. So now I'm going to search flights and search all flights, search by origin, search by destination, search by route, origin, destination, search by date, custom search, multiple criteria, or back to main menu. Let's go ahead and search by all flights, I guess. So, would you like to view details for a specific flight? I would. Flight number. Let's do. It is actually RA101. Okay, so what I want to do is manage bookings. Let's go ahead and manage bookings, view booking details. There we are. Let's see, RIA. I think it was 644, 371. Nice. So that is my information on that. Pretty cool. One thing I do want to do is go to aircraft data. Again, I'm not going to go through this entire project because there is so much to cover, so much to cover. View all aircraft, number one. Here we go. Got the Boeing 737, Airbus A320, 777, 777, Airbus A380. You have another 737. You have another Airbus A320. Cool. And you can see in flight, they're flying. Active, in flight. All right, so continue. Let's go ahead and do, let's do admin panel. All right. So let's see. And then welcome system administrator, press continue. So I can view system metrics. Now I didn't complete all of this, but it's kind of cool. System status dashboard. Some of these items I said will be coming soon. Pretty cool. So you can see aircraft status, flight operations, right? Revenue, all that good stuff. So let's go back to view admin log, recent admin actions. So you can see user admin logged into admin panel. Let's see, set dynamic pricing. Flight number, we'll just do RIA 101, for example. Pricing multiplier, let's do 0.8 because why not? Okay, there we go. Perfect. Now I can log out. I think the create backup is what I said coming. Well, wait, no. Okay, interesting. It's been a while since I made this. Set flight delay. Let's go into that. Let's do RIA 101 again. For example, enter delay. 0 on time, negative. So let's do that. Valid. I can't remember. What did I do here? Ah, okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Cool. So you get the idea. So I'm going to go ahead and log out of admin. So you can go in and you can play with that a bit. Let's do flight info. View departures from airport. We'll do 3. So you have available airports: Los Angeles, John F. Kennedy, Heathrow, Charles de, I can't say that, Dubai. Pretty cool. LAX. Oops, excuse me. LAX. There you go. Flight information. Here you go. So you have RIA 101 and 70 101 701 delayed 2 minutes and boarding. So let's go ahead and do 7 to exit, saving data and exiting, and I'm going to go ahead and clear. All right, and that's it. That is Rust International Airport. This went on longer than I wanted it to, but I just wanted to show uh, what that's all about. Not too bad in Visual Studio. Here's our data. Here's our modules. Pretty decent amount of code here. Airport. Pretty cool. It's your airport stuff. All this good stuff here. Yeah, look at all that. Beautiful. I'd love to continue talking about it, but that's more than enough. That is Rust International Airport, built entirely in Rust. Well, thank you, everyone. Thank you for stopping by, and take care.